All right, I want to talk to you about this antique brown metal bed frame. This is the queen size version. What I like about it, it is so lightweight. So when I was assembling it, it only took 2 people and probably less than an hour to put together. And to move it in and out was very easy. It comes in this piece, the headboard, and then some straight ones down the line. But I love that I can have some storage underneath the bed. And I also have the fact that it is like a unique little, a unique style here. It kind of gives me old school vibes, like the type of beds that they used to use. So I like the styling of it and the convenience of it being so lightweight, but also super sturdy. Like this does not make a noise. Like, let me show you. You don't hear anything. You don't hear anything. So it is a great buy and great price.